guys, what's up, and welcome back to another LOSV Life of Steph vlog. So guys, today it is, go over there by the hair stuff. So today it is Saturday, April the 16th, I believe, and we are having a beach day, y'all. We are on our way out the door. It's 7:16 a.m. We are about to get out of here by at least 7:45. So I'm about to stop, leave that alone. So I'm about to brush Grass hair up into a ponytail. We're about to finish packing up our car with our little coolers and our little beach stuff. And y'all, oh, I got this cute little beach bag. I can't wait to show y'all my little whole beach get up. So I mean, it ain't just a beach bag. I'm gonna be wearing that thing, but I got it specifically for the beach. But yeah, so I'm just opening up the video right here to let y'all know what we're about to do. We're about to get on this road. I'm so excited, so happy. First beach trip of the year. So let me go ahead and get this little girl situated and start putting this stuff in the car, and I'll hit y'all back. So we are here at the beach. We literally just pulled up. The beach is right over there. So you guys, we are about to get everything out the car. We got a whole bunch of stuff. We're about to get it out, meet our friends, and then I will see y'all on the beach. Hey guys, what's up? So we are on the beach, you guys. We are on the beach and we are having a good time. The sun is out, the water is beautiful, the kids are sitting. I'm gonna show y'all the whole crew. That is the whole crew right here. We are deep up in here, but we're having a good time. Why is water right here? Oh, the water always coming all the way up here. We having drinks, y'all. It is so nice. The waves are waving. Y'all be stepping on something. What did I step on? I didn't step on something. Hold on, y'all. I didn't step on something. Okay. Yeah, so we are at St. Pete Beach. And it's lit over here. It's very nice. I am having a good time. Here's Karaya.
I'm joking.
Say hi, Karaya.
Hi. Yo, I'm changing his name.
Say hi.
Hey.
I was
He was out here talking like Kanye.
Oh. Ain't nobody.
It feels so good. Exactly.
I vlog my life. My life. But I am an adult, so I'm not a kid channel. But I will show the Easter egg hunt.
I just heard like someone say this young lady, it was a girl, and she just yelled, I feel
Okay, y'all, so we are about to do an Easter egg hunt for the kids.
Wait a minute.
Because it is the Easter weekend.
Exactly what she said. And I heard.
Alright. Wait, turn around. Face this way. Face me. Face me. Face me. Alright. Yes. Okay. So, we're going to do an Easter egg hunt. There's one golden egg. Okay? There's a lady sitting on the bench. She saw us doing an Easter egg hunt, but she decided to sit there anyway. But there's still eggs sitting around her. Alright? So you're gonna, Mimi! I said, Mimi! Stop cheating! Stop it! There's right there! You're gonna go from the trash can to the big hill. Everybody look, big hill, trash can. Alright, look back, look back, look back, look back, look back. Stop cheating. Alright. There's one golden egg. Dad? Do you know what the golden egg has in it?
Money!
Money!
Wait, it does want money. I don't want money.
Listen, they was like, they didn't want to get out the beach. They was like, look, I don't want to do it Easter.
1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags. It's Easter, so you don't got a choice. And then, Traylon, you got big hands, but I'm going to walk around with you. I hold your eggs. Ready, steady, go.
Hey y'all, I thought that was a good one. We're giving the kids an Easter egg hunt, so look at them go.
So the kids are now doing an Easter egg hunt, y'all, because we are celebrating. This is our Easter celebration, okay?
Oh, look, Jaden got 4 already.
Jaden got 4? You go, Jaden. You go ahead. You losing candy. You losing candy.
Yeah, give them to me. Give some to me.
Oh yeah, you got a whole dress.
Did y'all go all the way over there? Not all the way over there.
What is that? Mimi, that ain't an egg. We ain't have no egg over there. Don't go past the hill. Jaden found a sweet spot. But I tell you, the golden egg ain't over there, so look.
One right here and one under here.
Who's gonna find the golden egg?
Me.
Who's gonna find the golden egg? I was gonna say it.
You said you see it?
It's not golden, but
Oh, cause you hit it. I see it. I think I see it, but I'm not sure.
I don't see anything shimmering.
Shiny, shiny, shiny golden egg.
Can you give me a hint?
No.
No, not yet.
Go turn around and look. You looking over here. Look over there. Go look. Look down. Look down.
Not that high, Mimi. We ain't go back that far. Amira, you're too far. Amira. do y'all not see it?
I found a purple egg.
Purple egg.
Is that
Katie
an
found
egg?
a purple egg, but
Yep,
not
that's
the
an egg.
golden egg.
It's a golden egg right there.
Yeah.
I think I see it.
You see it?
I see
found
it.
another purple one.
Purple egg, not the golden egg. Who's gonna find the golden egg? Who's gonna find the golden egg? Got me singing it. No.
Did you go all the way over there?
Not that far. It's all right in here.
Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording.
Give me a point of direction.
You can't have a point of direction.
The sand. Wait, for real?
Oh, I thought.
Oh, it's mine now.
No, put it down. She's dropping it. Right. Who did that? That's yours or hers? Go back up there and go. No, it's not buried. It's right around this area somewhere. Look down. Go up.
That's seeding.
I'm giving all of y'all the same hint. It's not cheating.
Well, I didn't get a hint.
I see it. I see it clearly.
For real?
I see it.
If I can see it clearly, then I'm going to your house.
Look. Turn around and
Is that all the eggs?
So she didn't win. She said I can see it. She didn't win. That's seeding.
All these eggs thinking these was golden.
That's seeding.
Here, Pariah.
That's my chips.
Oh, these are yours? Oh, okay. Wonderful. Fun times.
Okay, now they want to go back to the beach.
Okay.
I should have brought my flip-flops because I got to use the bathroom again.
Mommy.
Yeah, can I get yours? Guys, what's up? So we are on the beach. I hope y'all can hear me because it is a little bit windy, not too windy, but we are on the beach and we've been here for some hours, y'all. We have had a good time. I have been enjoying myself. I haven't recorded too much because I have literally been enjoying just being on the beach, but I feel like I got a lot of good footage. And yeah, so we just sitting here. I don't know, we probably will be going in a little bit. I know it's like almost, what, it's like 5 o'clock. We got here at like 10 o'clock, so I'm eating some Doritos. So I don't know, we might stop and get something to eat, but I'm definitely gonna share that with you guys as well. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera in a little bit, but I'm gonna show y'all some more of the scenery. This is all of our section right here. All the way to that black chair. And Tonya's getting her stuff together. And sand is everywhere. And we got 2 of the cabana chairs. There's Corey right there. They got parasailings going on over there. We under some umbrellas. We got 4 umbrellas. Well, we bought the 2 yellow ones, and then we got this one, this blue one, and then we got another blue one that we put up. But yeah, Pariah is in the water. I don't see her. This one right here will, but we ain't. We could put the other one up, back up, if we want to. Where's Pariah at? Oh Lord, where's Pariah? Oh, she right there. I see her. That's Pariah right there. There she go right there, y'all. Hey y'all, so we are done with the beach. It is now 5:52 p.m. So we literally got to the beach around like 10 o'clock in the morning. It was 10, right? Yeah, 10 o'clock. And then it's 5:52. So we was literally at the beach for hours, y'all. Crap, turn that down some. Now we are on our way to eat. I don't know how my hair is looking. I cannot see y'all. I can't see how this camera looking. I don't know how my hair is looking, but I did get in the water, like all the way in the water, you know what I'm saying? My hair did get wet, like up to here. I had a good time. Like I said, I couldn't record everything. I need to get me a GoPro so I can take the camera in the water with me, but we had a good time. Now we are going to this barbecue place in Tampa. We went to St. Pete Beach, if y'all didn't know, but we're going to this barbecue place in Tampa now, and we are about to try this barbecue spot out that we seen on TikTok. So y'all, if y'all are moving to Florida, in Florida or whatever, I keep telling y'all, look on TikTok, Instagram. Y'all will find a lot of good restaurants, because that's how we find a lot of restaurants that we go to. So check that out. Tonya is behind us in another car, in her car. She's behind us, following us. So when we get to the restaurant, we'll definitely, you know, show y'all the good food. It looked like it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna show y'all the TikTok on the screen as well. I'm gonna have Corey send it to me so I can show y'all, because that's how we found it. So this food better be good. And I don't know how my hair is looking. I literally cannot see how it is on my camera screen. So yeah, but just know I've been in the water, and yeah, but I'll see y'all in a minute.